Millimeter new battle pass is out in millimeter. So I'm going to show you the new feature in millimeter battle pass season 10 Midsummer Fight. So the new millimeter battle pass middle summer fight is out. So if you haven't yet seen the new millimeter battle pass in millimeter, you can check it out. So let I show you the new millimeter battle pass how it look now. Now you see that an arrow. This is millimeter battle pass. No to collect. So I'm going to click on it. That is the an arrow that I'm showing before. So that is the battle pass. Congrats are it level 2 in season 10 middle summer fight. Yes, season 10 middle summer fight. As you can see, this is all the reward that we're going to collect after we complete the pre-reward collection in millimeter. So I'm going to scroll down now that let you see the reward that come in millimeter season 10. So this is the one outfit that there too. Yes, I like that outfit. So I'm going to play to complete this outfit and reward so I can collect it free of course. So all thing you have to do is pay and to collect this free reward in millimeter. Yes, so I reached level 2, so that is the pretty battle pass reward. This millimeter battle pass arrived yesterday. It should be 4 weeks 1 day on the top right there. See that an arrow? Yes, it should be 4 week 1 day because I look a bit late to upload this video. That's why it says 4 week alone. But I still at level 2, everyone. Level 2. So I'm going to play some quicker game in millimeter mini outpost. Yes, millimeter outpost. So I need to play some more match so I can collect these free reward points. So I can collect all these outfits for free. We have the premium section, everyone. If you want to use your credit card or mod for this to unlock, you have to pay or use mod to unlock. I don't know how to unlock the premium battle pass as it. Soon as I learn how to unlock the premium battle pass, I'll let you know in my video so you can get it unlocked too. So right over here, I'm going to play a match in millimeter mini old pose. This is millimeter mini old pose. So I'm going to do a gameplay right now, so you can see how I play this millimeter mini old pose map. right here, guys, I finished playing this mini outpost map. So right here, I'm going to show you the battle pass reward that I get. Right here, so to increase my battle pass points. So I get 90 battle pass points. That is the on arrow that I'm showing. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel.